Welcome to Daily Logistics. In this video, we are going to talk about the difference between liner shipping and tramp shipping. Without further ado, let's get started. The world merchant shipping fleet has more than 50,000 vessels. These 50,000 include ro-ro ships, tanker ships, LPG, LNG, chemical tankers, etc., cruise ships, container ships, and many more. All commercial vessels operate under two main service types, namely liner and tramp. Whether you are a shipper or consignee, if you are to arrange ocean transport for your cargo, you must know the difference between liner and tramps to achieve cost benefits. The service you select will depend on the cargo volume you have for transporting. If the volume is high, it is advisable and profitable to use tramp services rather than a liner service. The reason is, in liner service you are paying for each weight measurement you are shipping, and in tramp you are paying for the whole ship or a part of the ship. Let's discover what is liner shipping and what is tramp shipping first. Then we can identify the similarities and differences. We hope this will help your business when selecting the right service for transporting cargo. Liner shipping. The term liner shipping uses to describe the cargo operations of vessels run on a schedule. These ships have fixed passages and port rotations for cargo loading and unloading. Hence we can say liner services are the shipping services that operate on schedules. Liner shipping uses for container shipping and sometimes for bulk and ro-ro ships operate on schedule. Thus popular in container shipping. More than 60% of the cargo transported via sea is carrying in liner services. The name, liner shipping, has been extracted from the phrase, line voyages, or also says, line traffic. This means the ships are already in line for calling ports and their sailing dates to each port, and berthing times are predetermined and fixed. Shipping lines publish these schedules well in advance for customers to be ready with their cargo and to plan their supply chains accordingly. Sometimes back, conference agreements were popular in liner shipping to maintain a stable freight rate on each trade route. Other than the freight rates, other related charges, practices, and methods of handling cargo were also defined in the conference agreement. The conference agreement is a mechanism where shipping lines operating in each trade route together decide and fix the freight rate. Hence, there won't be sudden changes to the freight rates. This was a great mechanism to improve the quality of service provided by each line, as there was no competition among lines regarding the freight rate. And to increase the volumes, they had to provide a high-quality service. However, it does not speak on the service agreements with customers, space pooling, or space chartering by the mainline. The concept of global alliance is well known in liner shipping. Here two or a few shipping lines get together and form an alliance for vessel sharing or slot sharing. Some of the popular alliances in container shipping are 2M, Maersk Line, and MSC. 1 stands for Ocean Network Express. It is a joint organization by CMA-CGM, COSCO Shipping, OOCL and Evergreen Line. And the alliance, Hapag-Lloyd, 1, and Yang Ming. Other than conference agreements and global alliances, shipping lines provide independent services too. This means they provide shipping service to their customer base using their own or chartered vessels without partnership with other lines. Further consortia service is another concept under liner shipping. What is blank sailing? Blank sailing is a concept that comes under liner shipping. There are cases where the ship omits calling some ports which are scheduled during her voyage due to various reasons. Omitting a port call that has been planned already defined as blank sailing. Here are a few reasons for blank sailings. Unable to load more cargo due to the lack of space on board or due to vessel stability concerns. The vessel is behind the schedule and requires to reach the destination on time. To meet the time slot allocated for crossing the Panama Canal or Suez Channel. Bad weather. Less cargo available for loading or unloading at a specific port while having a tight sailing schedule. Tramp shipping. Tramp shipping is also known as tramp service or tramper. Unlike liner shipping, tramps do not have fixed schedules or predefined calling ports. Tramp ships call any port with short notice depending on the cargo availability. Further, all the shipping services do not fall under the liner shipping count in tramp shipping. In most cases, the services that fall under tramp shipping services except container shipping. Most of the ro-ro shipping, Bulk and break bulk shipping comes under trampers. Tramp shipping is used to cater the special shipping requirements like transporting project cargo and general cargo like billet steels, and timber as well. For example, a shipper charter a vessel to transport raw materials required for cement production from Indiana to Africa. Or a ship carrying cargo from South Korea to Dubai loads some cargo from India to Good Hope on the way. Once the cargo to Dubai is unloaded, the vessel comes back to Good Hope for discharging the other cargo parcel. Tramp shipping is also important, same as liner shipping, towards the stability of the shipping industry. There are container vessels that provide tramp services. Even the liner shipping and tramp shipping has differences, they have some similarities as well. Let's check them out. Similarities in liner shipping and tramp shipping. Have specialized vessel types, sizes designated for different cargo types or for the trade lane ship operates. Requires to follow formalities of the seaports for reserving the berthing, for example providing notice of arrival as per the port guidelines, 72 hours, 24 hours pre-notice. Both liner and tramp issue a bill of lading for the cargo on board. Differences in liner shipping and tramp shipping. Liner shipping runs on schedules while trams are not. Liners have pre-printed BL formats or use BIMCO con line bill. Tramps use BIMCO con gen bill depending on the cargo type. Liner services carry a cargo of a large number of shippers while tramps carry a cargo of one or few shippers at a time. Generally, the freight rates of liners are fixed and in trampsby rate has to be negotiated for every shipment. Hope you are clear on the difference between liner shipping and tramp shipping. If you like our content, consider subscribing to the channel. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.